Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on SATS cryptocurrency, which is another BRC20 crypto right there performing. We do have a very good reaction after the BTC ETF has been approved on the altcoin side, and this is all reflected in the price sections of the majority of the altcoins that are having a great time around the topics they perform. Is just about to dominate, guys. On a 24 hours volume which is close to $100 billion, we are speaking about a market which is going to enjoy itself during these times. Make sure to follow me on my channel, check out the other price prediction videos along the way with my trading videos, live trading presentations and so on. The last one I posted is about 240 grand pure profit on day trading BTC. As well, you can see YouTube shorts, guys. You can see trades that I do, live trades and all sorts of performances out there. By the way, you can see my trading journal and you can participate in my trades without any upfront fees. Just a commission from the profits achieved, a completely done for you trading where we perform through API trading permission and handling the process totally outsourced, simple and straightforward based on performance. As well, we have basically the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is serious and is considering the financial freedom target and goal for cryptos. Now, SATS on the 4-hour candlestick is sitting in a very good situation, guys. So we have all the 4 moving averages sitting below us. They are pretty much reversed, but the greatest time that we are having in this crypto as market and pattern is a double bottom confirmation on 20 days moving average, which is the red line, on the 200 days moving average, which is the blue line right there. So we're actually having the blue line going in like this. The red line is coming downwards, finding support for once, going upwards, and finding support for the second time. Then the markets are basically pumping. You can see that here and here. It's pretty crowded over there with charts and so on, but it's exactly what's happening, folks. 20 days moving average is bouncing twice on 200 days. Meanwhile, you're also held from a demand zone, a very strong support zone situated on the 5,700s up to 6,000s in terms of levels for KuCoin exchange price action. We're speaking about a level which is very healthy from where you can continue break above the golden pocket of the structure that we're dealing with, and the number one target for January will be the supply level at the top, situated on 8,300 up to 8,500s. It is a level basically which easily could generate a retracement back into the wicks of this candlesticks and probably touch a moving average line that will be right there, as well point out a reverse golden pocket somewhere around this level, bounce back from it and deal basically with a supply level for the second time, which is also the moment we will have to break out after a triple top representation on the structure back in the day. So it's time basically to get out of this, otherwise it's going to trigger so much selling pressure they're going to get back to the original golden pocket of the structure and take out a whole liquidity of an order block movement situated somewhere around 4,500. So if you get a double rejection again without breaking above the supply, you are not going to survive this and come downwards with the entire market for sure, as this is why you get rejected, because the entire market will actually get rejected. Now, continuing, so what do we expect basically if we're continuing the breakout to the upside? A movement after we touch the number 1 extension situated at 9,500 to sort of a way have the ability to break above and continue to the 1.272 to 1.414. Are they targets basically that are feasible, reachable for January? Well, number 1 target to the supply of 28% is basically the main target. As soon as the markets move, find support on the retracement, bouncing from there, we already start working basically with a secondary target, which is a 9,500, and it's also the top of the entire structure with all the wicks right there, which is another 27% from that bouncing. So we have basically 2 possibilities of great entries, especially with the leverage. This can pay you a lot. And then on top of that, the markets could easily extend basically from that level another 45%, which is going to be around 11,500 in the price section. And this is somewhere around the 3rd target. As soon as we have a market explosion, BTC breaks above the $49,000, gets close to 50, and Ethereum is reaching 3,000. You're going to see SATS in that form easily at this level. which will be an extreme resistance appearance. So you got to be careful. At that time, if you hold any positions, especially on the leverage side, of course, you got to get out as soon as possible. You got to get out, you got to dump your positions and look for alternatives of buying cheaper. The great part is if we get there and form a retracement, by creating a distribution, you're going to crash back into the previous structure and you're going to have possibilities to get into the price action of SATS 30 to 40% cheaper. Think about it, folks. Beautiful. That's it on the topic. Once again, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely reach out. This is my trading journal. This is my trading movement. No prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits accumulated based on performance. Totally outsourced. We're trading for API trading permission. We have our ChatGPT bot helping us with the performance and doing quite well. At the same time, you can watch the video for a detailed explanation on how does the coaching program works. If you're serious about this space and considering it as a great possibility out there for financial freedom, get the level of education at the highest possible for you to be profitable on the long run. Register now. Have a good time, folks. Jump on a quick call with me for free and enjoy.